Hello everyone, welcome to Hurricane Web. Today we will see how to add a splash screen in React Native app. In the last video, we saw how to create a React Native boilerplate or a Hello World app. So today video I have divided into two parts. One is theoretical part and another is practical part. So in the theoretical part, I will explain about what is a splash screen and why we need it. And in practical part, we will do the code. So if you guys don't watch the last video, I would highly recommend to watch that video first and come to this video, because I will start today coding from the last project which we complete in the last project, the Hello World app. So before I start the theoretical part, I will run the code in VS Code and the Android Studio, and we'll keep them side by side. Just wait a little bit. You guys can follow as I am doing. It would be helpful for you guys. Okay, I keep the project and the emulator side by side. So let's start from the theoretical part. So first of all, we will know what is a splash screen. A splash screen is the initial screen that appears when you launch a mobile app. So what this line means? It means if you have Android phone right now, if you open any app like Facebook, Instagram, so the moment you open it, you will see a screen for some second, and then you will see the app functionality. So the moment you open the app, which screen you see is the splash screen, and all of the famous apps you will see that it usually displays the app's logo, name or branding while the app is loading in the background. It gives a professional touch and improves user experience by making the startup feel smooth. In React Native, Android devices use different screen densities, DPI levels, which means images like a splash screen need to be available in multiple resolution to look sharp on the all devices. So what it's mean? It's mean, if you guys think there are so many kind of and so many varieties of Android devices has. Some are long, some are tall, some are wide, and some are short. So in that case, we also need different splash screen sizes. The drawable folders in Android are designed to store images for different screen densities. Here's what each one means. So the drawable folders, I will show the drawable folders where it's located in the project. So if you go Android and then app and then source, main and res folder inside, then you will see the folders which we keep the screens, the splash screens we keep in these folders for different screen sizes of the Android devices. So Android screen density is DPI. Dots per inch represents the screen's pixel density. Android categories screens into different density levels. So MDPI used for low-end devices. SDPI screen used for older mid-range phones. XSDPI is most mid-range devices. XXSDPI high-end and flagship devices. XXX SDPI is for very high-resolution screens. So required splash screen sizes. So for different devices, we need different splash screen size. So like for SDPI, we need 418 to 800 pixel. 480 is the width and 800 is the height. So like same for XSDPI, XXSDPI, XXX SDPI, we need different height and width. Each of these folders is used automatically by Android depending on the device's screen density. So, in which devices the app run, from these folders it chooses the splash screen. On Android, the splash screen is usually set Android app source main res drawable folders, which I already show you guys. So for best result, we need to create 2048 into 2048 pixel square image with a centered logo and use AP tools to generate all required size automatically. So for if we use the online tools, which is called AP tools, so if we use AP tools, it will be very helpful and easy for us. Uh, Otherwise, you guys have to make one by one screens. So it's better to use AP tools, and the logo should be inside the 2048 into 2048 pixel squares inside in the center. So it would be perfect shape. So now we will start the practical part. So how to create a 2048 into 2048 pixel a square image with a centered logo. Well, we can use Adobe Photoshop or Canva. So I will use Canva to show you guys how do we can create this uh, square shape with the logo centered. So I will go to the Canva. So if you guys don't, I mean, if you guys don't like the theoretical part, can skip it and then start from the practical part. Okay, then create a design, custom size. Here I will give 2048, 2048. So for this video purpose, I have chosen a logo that is this this logo. The background is transparent. So we'll upload the logo. Okay. So the logo already in the center. I will make the background black so that it look nice. Yeah. Then we will just download. Easy in PNG. Okay. So our splash screen is ready. So now we'll go to the FE tools for create all size of splash screens. By the way, guys, I will upload this document in the GitHub, and then I will add the link in the description below. So right now we did the first step is we create the logo with the Canva, and then now we will generate for different screen size a splash screen in AP tools. So we go to the AP tools, then now here is select your splash screen. We click here and then go to entitled design. Okay, then select Android. Since we are doing this for Android, so just check mark on Android and then this button. So now it's processing for all the devices. Splash screen, we need to download it. Okay, it's already download. Yeah. Copy. I'll just bring it to my folder. Paste. Extract here. Okay. So inside Android folder, you guys can see all the uh, splash screens ready for different kind of Android devices. If I show one, you can see screen.png, the splash screen like this. So all the folder have that kind of screen, like it's maybe kind of for tab or anything like that. Okay, so let's go. So now we need to install npm i React Native splash screen package. So the search npm splash screen, copy and then paste here. Okay, then while the package is installing, we do other steps. That is, uh, we need to go to the android/setting.gradle file and have to copy this. Okay, so we copying it, and android setting.gradle, right? Yeah, settings.gradle. So here control V for paste it, control S, save it. Make sure always to save the lines whatever we copy and paste. Then, by the way guys, if you think that from where I am taking these lines or adding it, you guys can go to um, okay, you guys can go one of the link, and then you guys can get the documentation right in the below, like here, Android setting gradle. So you guys can follow from here too. Okay, so we did the for step number 4, and then now step 5. In Android, in our project android/app build.gradle, we need to add this. So android app build.gradle. So android app inside build.gradle, and we need to import the implementation project in the inside the dependencies implementation. Okay, make sure you are putting it in the dependencies inside. Control S, save it. Then our sixth number step, update the main activity.kt Kotlin. We need to add these two lines in the main activity.kt. So copy it, go to the project, app, source, main, Java, main activity.kt. You need to add these two lines. So Control B, Control S for save it. Okay. Then we also need to add this override function, C, and inside main activity, React activity inside, Control B, Control S, and then number 7 step, created a file called launch screen.xml in app source main res/layout folder inside. So we go app source main, app source main, then res, but we don't have any layout folder right now, right? So we have to create one inside the res. So create the folder layout, and then inside the layout we have to create launch underscore screen.xml. Control C, then folder file, Control B, Control enter. So we create the file launch underscore screen.xml. Okay, so inside the launch screen XML, we need to copy this code, Control C and Control B, Control S. Always make sure you're saving the files. So then number 8 step, then we will go to values folder inside styles.xml. I mean values folder inside the styles.xml file. Then it would initially look like this. So if I show you guys, yeah, like drawable rn underscore edit underscore text like this, but we need to make from this to this. So it's mean only changing in the part drawable rn edit part. We will add layout which we created just now slash launch screen. So add layout launch screen, Control S. Okay, then number 9 step is now we will copy generated splash files and paste it inside Android app source main res folder inside. Okay, so we'll do it manually. Splash logo bundle Android, we'll copy all the folder, copy. Okay, make sure your uh, emulator is minimized, otherwise it will not copy it. I get this problem so many times. If I show source main res, if I try to paste, look, the paste option is not working. So make sure it's minimized. Then plus I am going again to copy it, copy, copy, Android app source main res. So just paste it here. Okay, all the folder comes here. Okay, then number 10 step, we will change launch screen XML file from this to this. So we need to only change in the Android source lines. So instead of add layout launch screen, we need to add drawable slash screen. So let's go to the launch screen.xml file, and instead of add drawable launch screen, we will add drawable slash screen. So add drawable already have. So instead of launch screen, we need to use only screen. Okay, then Control S. Okay, then number 11 step, open Android slash Gradle.properties, and if you have these lines, not need to add, and if don't have, need to add. So Android slash Gradle.properties, Android slash Gradle.properties. If we have only Android dot use Android X is equal to true, and we don't have this line, but we have to add this. Control C, Control B, Control S. Okay, then lastly we have to go app.jsx file inside. So app.jsx, and then we have to add create media slash screen platform and these lines. Control C, Control V, and then the splash screen. Control C, Control S. So it's for after the splash screen show, it should hide soon. to show the app functionality. So we use this as plus screen.hide. Okay, our code is ready for run. So let's run npm run android and hit enter. If it take too much time, I will fast forward the video. Okay, our build process is successful, but the metro bundler is instead need to running. So now you guys will see the splash screen. Just wait for it. Okay. Now you can see the splash screen in the emulator. So that's how we need to add a splash screen in React Native app. So after the metro bundler will complete it, I sure that it will come to the Hello World app. Let's see. Okay. So after the splash screen show, it will show the Hello World app or our app. So that's how everything works. Okay, if you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, everyone.